troubleshooting ways to fix your iPhone ear speaker. So let's get started. First thing first, let's go to the home screen and open the settings app from your mobile device. In settings app, scroll down and click on accessibility. Inside the accessibility, scroll down and click on hearing devices. Then turn on the hearing aid compatibility. It will improve your audio quality. And if still this does not help, then go to the settings again and scroll down and tap on the Bluetooth option. If your Bluetooth is turned on, then simply turn it off. Then for the third way, go to the settings and in settings click on accessibility and then click on touch. Then simply scroll down again and tap on call audio routing and change it into the speaker. After this, very gently clean your ear speaker of iPhone through a very soft cloth or a earbud. And that is it. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the ear speaker issues on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.